Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel dedicated to helping you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're exploring the world of steam mops, comparing the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and the Bissell SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop. Let's find out which mop will earn a spot in your cleaning arsenal. Let's kick things off with price. The PowerFresh comes in at $144, while the SpinWave is slightly pricier at $159. Reviewers suggest that for budget-conscious buyers, the PowerFresh seems like the better deal. However, some feel that the extra investment in the SpinWave is worth it for its advanced features. It's like deciding between a regular coffee and a fancy latte. Sometimes, a little extra is just what you need. Next up, we have features. The PowerFresh offers a 2-in-1 design, allowing you to tackle messes on both floors and above. Reviewers praise its versatility, noting it effectively cleans linoleum and tile without harsh chemicals. On the other hand, the SpinWave boasts an intelligent LED display and fingertip controls, which many users appreciate for the added convenience. However, some PowerFresh users joke that if you need a display to tell you when to clean, it might be time for some self-reflection. When it comes to ease of use, the PowerFresh's 25-foot power cord allows for a wide cleaning radius, which many users love. They feel like cleaning ninjas gliding across their floors. Meanwhile, the SpinWave features a swivel head and a removable water tank, making it easy to maneuver and refill. Reviewers have enjoyed how easy it is to use, although some have noted minor issues with the water tank. It seems both mops are designed with user-friendliness in mind. Finally, let's talk about cleaning power. The PowerFresh eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria with its 1,500 watts of steam power, earning it a reputation as a powerful cleaning tool. Users rave about how quickly it dries floors and leaves them spotless. In contrast, the SpinWave scrubs and steams simultaneously, which some users find effective for deep cleaning, especially on older floors. Reviewers have mentioned it works wonders on embedded grime, but if you're looking for a germ-busting powerhouse, the PowerFresh might be your best bet. Overall, the reviews for both products showcase their strengths. The PowerFresh Lift-Off is highly praised for its versatility and powerful cleaning capabilities, making it a favorite among pet owners. Meanwhile, the SpinWave is lauded for its ease of use and smart features, appealing to those who prefer a more tech-savvy approach to cleaning. Both mops have their unique benefits, so it really comes down to personal preference. Thanks for watching. So which mop do you prefer? The versatile PowerFresh Lift-Off or the smart SpinWave? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description for more information. Keep it clean, and we'll see you next time.